Hey everybody, my name is Triton and this is Triton's Lodge. Just giving you an update from the other day. I had mentioned that I was taking all of the blushing tomatoes because frost was going to hit. Didn't hit that night, but it certainly hit today. Just come and take a look at what it looks like. I've never seen frost-struck tomatoes before, so I found this interesting. You can see that, or maybe you can't see, but what I'm looking at is that the fruit appears to be untouched, but the leaves are all curled and damaged like this. I don't know if they're going to recover. You can see they're all sort of shriveled. Some of them are more damaged than others, and these were plants that had been damaged in June anyway. I'm going to still go along and pick all the rest of the green fruit. Hopefully be able to find something to do with it all, because there's quite a lot of it still remaining. Not the whole garden was damaged, only the tenderest bits. And come along while I pick some of that. That's one tomato bed down, and that is far more in green tomatoes than I got in blush tomatoes. I got 2,115 grams of the blush tomatoes. I'll have to weigh this to find out what it is, but it's definitely more. And there you have it, the last tomato haul for the season. Far, far more in green tomatoes than in any other tomato. This is from 33 tomato plants, and I'll go through them in another video what it was I planted this year. Tough growing season, frosts in June, frost at the end of September, which is early. If I can figure out what to do with green tomatoes though, it's a pretty good haul. Easily twice the size of the previous basket I showed you. That's it for now. This is me just getting home from work and grabbing tomatoes. See you next time at Triton's Lodge. Bye now.